Here. So I was trying to play Roblox, but I'm getting this error, unable to verify that you have access to this experience. Please try again later. What's really going on with Roblox? This is a unusual error 520, error 520. Many people are getting the error code 524, while many people are getting the service is unavailable. So no matter whatever the error is, right now there is a global outage situation going on, which is a pretty serious one, and it's really important to check when they'll be going to fix the servers, Roblox servers, or is it not just the server issue, a big other issue, other kind of issue? Let me show you all the latest updates. Error 400. There was a problem with your request, bad request. So what's really going on with Roblox? Let me show you all the latest details, why the Roblox is not working. Alright guys, check this out. This is a global event going on. Alright guys, so the primary thing about Roblox outage, many people came here to check what's really going on. Now let me show you. Here you can see guys, Roblox is done, and not just by small numbers. We are talking about something in the range of 16,700 outage reports. Recently I did the video, it was peaked to 18,000 outage reports. So you can just imagine the major part of the servers, Roblox servers, is down. Now what's really going on, why those servers are down? Let me show you guys. Alright guys, so let's check it out what's really going on. So just you can see 2 seconds ago Roblox down, 6 seconds ago Roblox down, high pixel time, Roblox down. I think Roblox is down. So definitely guys, 100% sure, apparently Roblox is down once again, and this time it's not a small outage situation, but in fact a really big one. 3 million users can't play Roblox right now. So this is honestly the biggest one in at least a month or so. Many people are getting this age verification required. So like many kind of weird thing happening into the game. Now do let me know what kind of error are you getting, what is your error code. Please do help out the community. Now let me show you the latest update. Well, many people are getting this experiences fail to load. You got, this is kind of a weird one. I mean, Roblox servers are like potato. Are you getting error code 400? Are you getting error code 524? Error code and any other error code? Do let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, so let's check it out, the latest update by the Roblox Twitter official page. So do we got any update? Let's check it out. Alright, so as of August 16th, yesterday, they have tweeted out regarding this UGC program. This is the ability to make full avatar bodies heads for the Roblox marketplace, and great development going on obviously. But talking about the latest update 3 hours ago, our developer community imagination, it is limitless as a space itself. Now here's the thing guys, honestly nothing related to the outage situation, although a big event going on. Why the outage situation is happening, let me show you. Do we got any update? As far as I can see guys, this outage situation is 18,800 outage reports as of right now. So that's a serious one. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.